So, today we are going to see how we can create realistic looking grass in Blender. The method shown in this video is the easiest method to render grass incisively. We will delete the default cube and light before starting. Then go to Add, Mesh and select Plane. This plane mesh will act as a base for our 3D model. Then add another plane which we will use to render grass. Enlarging it a little bit. Keeping the plane selected, go to Particle Properties and add a new particle settings, select Hair. Now, you can customize the various properties. I am going to keep Hair Lenite 0.2 and number of particles to be 50,000. I think 60,000 will also work just fine. Now, select Advance and select Physics and you can see the Brownian. Which should be increased slightly. 0.2 makes it look pricky, so we are going to go with 0.1. And now is the lighting part. There are a lot of features present in the particle settings, you may use it to work on details. Place the light considering how will you render the image. Increase light power. Select the plane and add a new material and select the base color which resembles with the color of grass. And you are done. Now, we will just render a fresh image to see how it looks. And here we go. So, thank you for watching and please subscribe